Okay, y'all, so tonight we're gonna make a pretty tag. So I got this from, I want to say it was Hobby Lobby. I could have gotten it when I went thrifting. I'm not sure, but I always pick these up because this one's pretty nice and it's pretty heavy. So I'm gonna start painting this. I'm just gonna give this another coat of paint. Alright, let's go ahead and paint the back of this. So what we're going to do is, of course, we're going to use a pretty paper and some molds and some embellishments and some Totally Dazzled and all the things. We'll go back and do that. Okay, so I'm using this pretty paper. I have not done a little bird. I love birds. So this one came from, it's AB Studio paper. Well, and that's the one I'm going to use, this one. So this one I got from Decoupaged napkins. But yeah, this is an AB Studio napkin. Look how pretty. So the colors are real subtle. I like that. And look, it's got some roses. We've got some roses going on there. And I think this was a little lace up here, but yeah, that's a lace. But anyway, we're going to use this one. I'm going to go ahead and decoupage him on here. That way I'll know where to place everything else. We're going to do a little diamond dusting and all the things. I'm using my decorators varnish. Y'all can use whatever you like to use. I think what I want to do is, I think I want to stencil right here on the side. I'll try to get 2 in there, I think. Yeah, we're going to go with the bigger ones. I'm going to use this metallic, I think it's 24 karat gold, I think. Okay, so that's what we got so far. We're gonna add these on here, but I think I'm gonna paint them before I put them on here. I'm just using the bare wax. I love this wax because I love the color. So yeah, see just the different colors in there. So far we have that going on. Isn't that sweet? So I saw this piece. I don't know, what do y'all think? I saw this piece. Look at it. It's got like flowers in it, and to me it just looked like a bunch of flowers. I'll show you. What do y'all think about that? What do y'all think? It doesn't look bad. It's kind of raised a little bit at the top because of that mold. I think it looks okay. We'll do it. We will do it. I like him with his crown. I don't think it's gonna fall, but look. How sweet. That's sweet. I don't know if I want Okay, I don't have it thick enough. I may have to make another bow somehow. I'm kind of liking the flowers though. I wonder if I could get a big bow back behind it. Is that too much? What do y'all think? Is that too much? I am gonna get, I think I need a different color here. I don't know. What do y'all think? We can do the 3 flowers here, or we can do that one there. What do y'all? Which one looks best? That one or this one? The mix? Okay, different, okay. That's what we're gonna go with. Cute. That crown went perfect with him too, I think. So y'all, yeah, y'all use these bigger pieces like in, think mixed media with these bigger pieces. I think that's gorgeous.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.